In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload HTML in Bitbucket via Windows 10. This walkthrough uses the Bitbucket web interface, which is perfect when you want to add a single HTML file or make a small update without installing Git on your computer. You'll just need a web browser on Windows 10 and access to the repository where you want the file to live. Start by opening your browser and signing in to Bitbucket. Once you're in, navigate to the repository where you want to add the HTML file. Make sure you're in the correct project and branch, especially if your team uses multiple branches for development and production. If you don't see the project you expect, check that you're in the right workspace. Inside the repository, look to the left-hand panel and click Source. This view shows the folder structure and all the files currently stored in the repo. It's a good moment to confirm you're in the right path if your project has multiple directories like a web or public folder. To add your file, move to the top right corner of the file list and click the plus icon or the three-dot More Options button. From the menu, select Add File. Bitbucket will open an editor where you can create the new file directly in the browser. At the top, enter your file name. For a homepage, index.html is a common choice. Be precise with spelling and include the .html extension. If you need to place the file inside a folder, you can type a path like folder name, index.html, and Bitbucket will create that structure if it doesn't already exist. In the main content area, paste your HTML code. This editor accepts standard HTML, so include everything you need, such as the doc type, head, and body tags. If your code references images or style sheets, make sure those assets already exist in the repository or will be added separately. Below the editor, write a clear commit message. Keep it short but descriptive. For example, add index.html for landing page. Good commit messages make it easy to track changes later. When everything looks correct, click Commit. Bitbucket will save the file to the repository on the selected branch. You'll be returned to the source view where you should now see your new HTML file in the list. If you need to tweak anything, you can reopen the file from here and edit it directly. That's it. This method is quick, clean, and ideal for small updates. For larger uploads or many files, consider using Git locally, but for a single HTML page, the web interface keeps things simple and fast.